When the dead internet theory first gained traction, the fear was centered on hostile outside forces, military operations or foreign bot farms flooding the network to drown out human voices. We assumed that a few corners of the web would remain untouched. Human-curated platforms like Pinterest, Reddit, Steam, and Discord were supposed to be the bunkers, places where genuine interaction would always be the priority. In reality, these platforms are actively detonating their own communities from the inside. After relying on human creativity and discussion to build their empires for over a decade, these four pillars of the internet are turning their backs on the users who gave them value. The collapse of the user-generated web is an inside job, and it leaves us with nowhere left to hide. The tech industry is currently gripped by a data crisis. AI developers require massive amounts of high-quality human language and imagery to train their models, and they are running out of sources. Reddit realized its 2 decades of authentic human debate was a highly profitable resource that could be sold to the highest bidder. In early 2024, Reddit signed a partnership worth roughly $60 million a year to grant Google unfiltered access to its real-time user content. Pinterest executed a similar harvest. The company quietly updated its systems to feed 15 years of human curation into its text-to-image generator, Pinterest Canvas. This shifted the relationship between the platform and the public, instantly downgrading active creators to passive training livestock. By treating human interactions strictly as an exploitable resource, these platforms took the first irreversible step toward destroying the communities that built them. Once the harvest began, bad actors saw an opportunity. They realized they could influence AI behavior by manipulating the very data these platforms feed into the models. Reddit is now overwhelmed by bot farms using generative AI to manufacture fake, emotionally manipulative stories in popular subreddits to incite arguments and farm engagement. This diagram shows the mechanics of karma farming. A bot node injects a synthetic post, and a network of automated accounts coordinates mass upvotes. This buries authentic human posts and inflates the bot's credibility within the system. This pollution is spreading to gaming. Valve initially resisted generative AI on Steam, but reversed its policy, allowing synthetic content to flood the store. The result is a surge of AI asset flips, low-effort games that bury genuine indie developers and frustrate players who are simply trying to find something real to play. This environment is becoming unsustainable. The volume of synthetic trash makes it nearly impossible for users to find or engage with authentic human creations. Rather than hiring lore people to manage the influx of synthetic content, platforms are firing human staff and deploying automated AI moderators to police sites. On Pinterest, these automated moderators are actively punishing the human user base. Real artists regularly see their hand-drawn work falsely flagged and removed as AI-generated. This forces creators into endless appeal loops, requiring them to provide evidence of their own humanity just to avoid a permanent account ban. Even private sanctuaries are being compromised. Discord has integrated a steady stream of AI features into its once private chat environments. These integrations create severe privacy risks. A bot network codenamed SpyPet recently used Discord's open ecosystem to scrape billions of private messages from over 600 million users. Discord is also pushing for an age inference AI that would monitor user behavior to profile and restrict accounts it identifies as belonging to minors. These hostile management tactics shatter user trust, turning previously safe digital communities into automated surveillance traps that actively push humans away. The compounding effects of the harvest, the flood, and automated management are leading to a mass human exodus. Artists are returning to physical reference libraries, gamers are avoiding the Steam storefront, and Redditors are refusing to engage in public debates. This retreat exposes the fatal flaw in the master plan. AI models require fresh, genuine human interactions to grow and remain accurate. This diagram illustrates model collapse. When an AI is cut off from human input, it is forced to consume its own synthetic output. As the system recycles its own content over and over, its intelligence and accuracy rapidly degrade into useless sludge. These corporate platforms succeeded in dismantling the user-generated internet. But in doing so, they engineered their own doom, starving the very machines they